Materials required: pink colored tissue paper, straw, scissors, stapler. First, place some squares of tissue papers one on top of the other. Now, fold them back and forth like you used to make a paper fan. Attach a straw to the tissue paper fold using a stapler. Now use your scissors to cut the edges. Next, pull out the tissue paper to make it look like flower petals and adjust the petals near to each other. In the same way, using the same method, you can make many more flowers and place them in a vase. These tissue paper flowers look so beautiful.